So why do I have all these wigs, right? Why do I have all these lashes? What is going on? Somebody please tell me. Stay tuned so I can tell you guys what's the real deal. Holyfield. Hey guys, so I'm jumping again, right? I've been muddling with this idea and wanting to do this for so long, and today it's, I'm gonna do it. This is August of 2021, and we have had an amazing year with my other business, the Posh Academy, and this is our downtime, so this is really giving me a lot of free time to go into my next business venture. So today I am launching brand Posh-Ture Lifestyle. The name may change, I don't know. I gotta definitely stay within the Posh brand, and this is more or less going to be lifestyle, beauty, all that good stuff. So I'm about to go now and make my first purchase of wholesale products for hair, lashes, and things like that. So stay along for the ride, guys, because we're gonna see if this work out, if this take off. If y'all know, like I know, it's gonna take off. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I told you guys earlier that I'm launching my new business. So this is definitely gonna be my lifestyle business side of things, where I'm just really having fun with hair and makeup and clothes and accessories and all that good stuff, which is something I've always wanted to do. So I've already made my first purchase today, and in my next video, I am going to be this is some of the units that we're going to be carrying. I got to give them a name. I don't know. This is like a deep wave. The hair is so soft, guys. It's so soft. The lace is nice, and this is not invisible lace. I had to play around with this kind of lace first because invisible lace is kind of expensive. So I said, let's play around with this first and see how it does with the tinting and the plucking and all that good stuff. And we're going to give her a name, but in my next video, you guys are going to see exactly how I customize this unit and then install it on me, she, her. Yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, so also another item that I got is our lashes. So I always get questions about my lashes, or someone's always saying something about my lashes, right? So I only thought that it was right that I definitely start a lash line and really brand my own lashes. So we have these these are the ones that I wear a lot. I like them because they're nice and full, not to mention that they are wispy. So this is the very beginning, guys, so don't sit here and try to pick my video apart. I don't even have a backdrop. As you can see, I am in the kitchen because I said, I just gotta jump. I just gotta get into it, right? And get going. And then as I go and things I, see and do, I'll start perfecting things as I go along. Now, one thing I can say, I do have a studio upstairs that is actually right now undergoing a total renovation. I'm so excited. Well, I'm not gonna act like it's a showing up studio, guys. It just was one of my master closets, right? But it's huge. It's a big closet, and it's like the perfect size. That's what I was using before for my makeup studio, where I would just go in there and do my makeup, right? But now we're going to turn it into an actual studio. So I'm going to not only have my makeup vanity really set up, we're right now pulling up the carpet, getting the floors redone, getting my my accent wall done. That's going to be, not plain, but it's going to have a little pop, a nice little backdrop for photos. So I'm estimating this closet renovation. I'm looking forward to that taking no longer than possibly 2 weeks, and I'm only saying 2 weeks because my other business, the Posh Academy, I am going to be doing a lot. Next week I got a lot of, it's going to be time, pulling away at me a lot next week. Then I go on vacation tomorrow. Well, not vacation, but I go away tomorrow to a lake house, and then next weekend I go away. I go back home to see my family for my family reunion. So I'm going to be pretty much busy and gone over the next week. Then really like building out how I want this little studio to look. We kind of did a lot of mapping out yesterday, and we are going to start revamping it, baby, renovating it the week after next. So I'm excited about that, because not only with you guys, I'm gonna be taking you guys along the whole entire journey. Now, this is one of my passions. This is something I could do in my sleep, right? It doesn't really take a lot. It's not gonna take a lot of push from me because I love it. I love hair. I love lashes. I love makeup. I love clothes. So this business is going to be fun, right? So we just going to keep our fingers crossed. We're going to do it. And there's some other business opportunities I'm launching as well. So this new channel that I'm creating is just all about, I don't even really have a name for it yet, but I know I am a whole brand. So it's definitely going to be Precious Stevens, but it's going to be something, I got to tie Posh into it, because as of now, all of my businesses as of today had the name Posh in it. So from Posh Designs to the Posh Academy, this to Grand Posture. So I don't know, maybe called the Posh Lifestyle something, I don't know. So if you guys, throw me something down below, like if you guys come up with some kind of idea or a quick cute little catchy name, give me some ideas, guys. I told you this channel pretty much is going, not necessarily a vlog, I don't know what it's going to be, we just going to see. But right now I'm just jumping because it's something I want to do, and then I'm going to focus more on the parts that I really enjoy doing. So if I really enjoy hair installs or like making wigs, then the channel may end up gearing towards that. If I really enjoy the whole makeup portion, the step-by-step tutorials, then it'll gear towards that. If I really enjoy the vlogging part, like when I travel a lot, so if I enjoy that, then that's what it'll be. So I don't know, but it may just be a lifestyle channel and involve all of it, right? And I'll show you guys how you can create a posh lifestyle as well. So stay tuned. I'm super excited, and I'll be seeing you guys on the channel.